It's time for a wellness revolution. Brought to you by Hotze Health and Wellness Center. Honest discussion on maintaining health and wellness naturally to enjoy a better quality of life.
He's the doctor fighting to let you keep your doctor.
Now, Dr. Stephen Hotze. Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution podcast is brought to you by Physicians Preference Pharmacy, formerly Hotze Pharmacy.
You want to put a spark back in your love life? I'm Dr. Steve Hotze, and I believe that you need a doctor and a staff of professionals to coach you onto a path of health and wellness naturally. So as you mature, you have an enjoyable life. You're full of energy. You're full of vim and vigor. You got to get up and go. You got enthusiasm to tackle the tasks of the day, and you're ready to go after them. Are you wanting to get a spark back in your love life? What are the causes of loss of romantic moods and inclinations? Libido, as they call it. Is it the fact that we have low levels of the ED drugs in our body? What causes loss of libido in men? Well, we know that men's libido peaks early in life, in their teens and early 20s, when they have high levels of testosterone. Testosterone is the male hormone which causes male pattern behavior. And you can remember when your testosterone kicked in, it would surge through your body, and all of a sudden, girls who had been cooties a few years before and had cooties were now just attractive, and you wanted to be around them and call them and go out with them all the time. It changed your perspective on women. You had a desire, a romantic desire to have romantic connections with these young ladies, right? As we age, our testosterone levels decline. So by the time a man hits 40, his testosterone levels about half what it was when he was 20. By the time he's 50, it's a third. By the time he's 60, it's a quarter. So testosterone, as it declines, men's libido declines as well. Drug companies have a solution for it. Is it giving men testosterone? No, they want to give them a whole bunch of drugs that are supposed to correct erectile dysfunction. Most commonly, people think of Viagra. Now, these drugs can cause in men some significant problems. They cause stuffy nose. They can cause insomnia, headaches, stomach pain, upset stomachs, nausea, poor memory function, back pain, loss of hearing, ringing in the ears, dizziness. But the most dangerous effect, it can cause retinal damage to the eyes. And this has been seen in people that take frequent and high doses of these various erectile dysfunction drugs. If you want to increase your romantic moods and inclinations, your libido, and your potency, what you need to do is restore your testosterone to levels that you had when you were younger. And that's what we do here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center. We will put you on either oral or cream or injectable testosterone, natural testosterone, get your levels back up. I say it puts a tiger back in your tank, and that's what most men would like to have. So if you're interested in better performance, remember, testosterone just doesn't affect your libido. It affects your initiative, your assertiveness, your sense of well-being, your self-confidence, your mood, your goal orientation, your drive, your directness, your analytical ability. All these are affected by testosterone. Those are brain functions, strengthens your muscle tone and muscle mass and your cardiovascular function. That's why it's very, very important to maintain good hormone levels as you march through your life. That'll keep a tiger back in your tank. Give us a call at Hotze Health and Wellness Center at 281-698-8698. We'll help you get your life back and put a tiger back in your tank.
A special thanks to Physicians Preference Pharmacy, formerly Hotze Pharmacy, proud sponsor of Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution podcast.
Information provided on this radio program is neither intended nor implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice and is not intended to replace the services of a physician, nor does it constitute a doctor-patient relationship. You should not use information from this radio program to diagnose or treat a health problem or disease without consulting with a qualified healthcare provider. If you have or suspect you have an urgent medical problem, promptly contact a professional healthcare provider or call 911. Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution radio program advises you to always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider prior to starting any new treatment or with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Any application of the recommendations from this radio program is at the listener's discretion.